Welcome to a brand new week. With grateful hearts, we praise the Lord. See the victories He has given. Lift your voice and bless His name. Good morning, Faith Assembly, and happy Sunday. Welcome to a brand new week in our month of Stand Still and Watch the Lord's Victory. What a wonderful weekend! Our hearts are full of gratitude for the success of when we worship 2026. Whether you are joining us for the first time or you are part of the Faith Assembly family, welcome home. As we enter this new week, may God's presence go before us, and may the victories He has begun become testimonies in our lives.
Look what the Lord has done.
From glory to glory,
Victory to victory.
Jesus,
We give you all the praise.
thank you, Faith Assembly.
Thank you.
The success of when we worship 2026 was first by the grace of God, and also through the prayers, fasting, giving, and dedicated service of His people. Thank you to our church members who prayed, fasted, invited guests, shared the publicity, and came ready to worship. Thank you to our ministers, worship team, choir and musicians, our media and technical teams, our ushers, protocol, hospitality, intercessors, children's workers, organizers, and every volunteer. To everyone who gave, transported equipment, invited someone, shared a flyer, prayed, or served behind the scenes. God saw your labor, and Faith Assembly appreciates you.
For God is not unrighteous to forget your work and labor of love.
May the Lord richly reward you.